Hi guys, what's up? How are you doing? So this is a vlog from the first week of September. It's a week in my life and yeah, this is my attempt at getting back to long form content. I did it regularly around 1.5 years back, but now I think I have no excuse. So yeah, all the best. Hi guys, what's up? So what are we gonna do right now? We are... Hey, cute! I'm looking cute. So there are a few things that I want to do, which include doing my Duolingo and responding to a few mails, editing, shooting and posting a few videos, and writing for a bit. I made a few lists that I want to achieve. Also made this board to accomplish everything that I want to do, and I'm reading this book called Design Your Life, which is kind of changing my perspective just 30 minutes into the book. I'm gonna figure out what's the best angle at which I should hold my phone while I shoot for the vlogs, and yeah, I'm looking in the mirror right now. That is why it looks like that. And yeah, just 30 minutes into this book called Design Your Life, and I already feel like it has so much to offer, and it's exactly what I need right now, because it's like it starts... I don't want to give spoilers, but you know, like in your mid-20s, you're made to you know, choose your majors, have that kind of like a PG speciality kind of a thing, and I don't think I'm ready for it. I just want to take some time off for myself to see what I want to do. And I love studying, I love academics, I love the science, the medicine, the science of medicine. It just makes me so happy, but the system is such that it has sucked the life out of my living force, and I cannot put up with that, and I don't know how to phrase this any better. But yeah, we also have to do our nails today. I'm excited for that. Not like I'm gonna go and get a manicure or something. I'm just gonna put up a nice nail color. Maybe it'll just be lavender or maybe hot pink, fuchsia, who knows. My notes are really interesting. I'm working on this dopamine shortcuts thing, and it's just something else. What are we making? We're making sweet corn. We're just gonna boil these corn, and yeah. I don't have a sieve. सिर्फ चाय छानने वाला छानना है. So this is the jugaad that we're doing. This is a very nice aesthetic looking cup. इसके अंदर ये sweet corn हम डाल देंगे, and adding some Amul butter. Butter makes everything better. Some red chili powder. This is the OG masala dabba that all our mothers have. I mean, I do have a lot. Yeah, and some kali mirchi powder. I will take the bigger one. Okay, ज़्यादा नहीं गिरना चाहिए, but okay, that much is enough. And some Tabasco sauce, because why not? Give it a mixy. Give it a nice mixy. This looks delicious. I mean, I just added some lemon to it, and oh my god, I love it. यार इतना सब बोल दिया और मैंने शूट ही नहीं किया. Okay, my phone is looking cute, my cup is looking cute, I'm looking cute. और क्या चाहिए बताओ? बहुत कुछ चाहिए. That is done, and we're watching one day at a time. And this is done. These were my evening snacks, and bas ab aur nahi khana hai. Now that we have tied our hair up, life is going to get much more sorted, and we're going to get a lot of work done. It's already 10 PM. I'm going to go straight and wash my dishes. Sweeping ho chuki hai. हमने स्वीट कॉर्न खा लिया है और बुक हमने पढ़ी नहीं है, कंटेंट हमने बनाया नहीं है जो हम बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. We're not going to go down that rabbit hole of self-pity. See you after doing dishes. देखो भैया, बर्तन तो मस्त में धुल लिए हमने. अब हमारा मन है कि हम थोड़ी सी किताब पढ़ें, छत पे जाएं. बट आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू वेयर वट आई एम वेयरिंग, बट ऑल्सो लाइक जो पहना है वो काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल है और इसमें मिनी अच्छे से आ जाएगी. तो आई एम फीलिंग लेजी कि मतलब मैं चेंज करूँ नहीं करूँ, फिर वापस चेंज करना पड़ेगा. आके 1 घंटा बचा है 12 बजने में ऑलमोस्ट. लाइक I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I exactly know what to do. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna just wear something comfortable, but something that's also fresh to feel it. I mean, why not? Let's go. I'm not sure what's the situation like. कैसे मैं दिख रही हूँ, but I'll try talking. I'll try doing the Duolingo in front of you. Un autobús, un boleto a Madrid, mi pasaporte, el banco está cerrado, en el aeropuerto, un tren, ¿dónde está el teléfono? El museo está cerrado, yo necesito una reserva. En la calle. Au. Let's go. Oh yes, I did change into my clothes and I got into something very, very comfy. Let me show that to you. Very cutesy, very demure. Okay, apart from that, I'm sure I'm going to be very hungry. और ये मेरे को अब समझ में आ रहा है. I had राजगिरे का लड्डू for my sweet cravings after having the sweet corn, but मैंने dinner या meal पर से दिन भर में कुछ नहीं खाया है. So I'm very sure that I'm going to be very hungry very soon and I won't be able to sleep like that. So it's only natural that I order something from Blinkit, quickly make it. Change of plans, we're not going for a walk, we're not ordering anything from Blinkit, we're just going to have some Maggi. I think I will be having a cucumber and some tomato for the crunch. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. We're not feeling it, but okay. We're feeling it now. अब लाइट आ रहा है, अब अच्छा लग रहा है. Shiva light. I hate this reference. I hate this reference now. Every time I think about it, मेरे को ब्रह्मास्त्र 2 की याद आती है जिसमें Deepika is starring and I cannot wait for that movie. Apart from that, we're reading the book Design Your Life only on Audible. We're gonna add some water. Done. We've made our Maggi. Hi guys, what's up and good morning. It's Saturday 31st of August. I am ready to head out to work from a cafe, but I don't like my fit very much. I am ready to head out to work from a cafe, but I don't like my fit very much. Let me know what you think. I've paired sage green on sage green in different shades with a cream cargo pant. And maza nahi aa raha hai. I mean, it's cool and everything, but nah, I don't know. Not feeling it. I changed my outfit again and I am feeling very overwhelmed. I'm just gonna have this one slice of bread with some beetroot and it's okay, it's okay. We will figure out. We will figure out the content. We will figure out everything. We got this.
Hello. Hello. We brought food for you. Food for you.
Come. So I changed my outfit once again. नहीं हो रहा है यार मेरे से. I wanna cry. I just wanna cry. बिल्लू लिटरली मेरी हरकतें देख रहा था अभी कि भाई क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. what's up, how you all doing? So today is 1st of September. सारा का सारा दिन निकल चुका है और हम में है डेंगू वाले symptoms. So we were sleeping throughout the day and just surviving, existing the symptoms while hydrating, while having a lot of fluids and electrolytes and good food. Good food में क्या खाया? सांबर and stuff. सांबर and stuff नहीं, क्या खाया? इडली खाई, 30 इडली एंड बड़ा एंड स्टफ. और मेरे को याद नहीं रहा कुछ भी शूट करने का. आई वॉज जस्ट एडिटिंग ऐसे ही बैठे बैठे, तो मेरे को याद आया कि यार शूट कुछ नहीं किया है. क्यूट हम लग रहे हैं इवन दो वी आर टायर्ड एंड एग्जॉस्टेड, बट ओके. So I was supposed to do this workshop yesterday and yesterday से postpone करके आज पे हमने उससे ढकेल दिया था because we were not feeling well. कल से ही joints में बहुत एक हो रहा था and it just felt like the end of the world, which wasn't exactly. तो yeah, but आज इतना आराम करने के बाद भी कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. तो I made sure I spoke to a few people जिनके साथ मेरे को करना था वर्कशॉप, और उनसे बात करके इतना अच्छा लगा, इतनी एनर्जी मिली. ओ माई गॉड, लाइक आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस हाउ गुड you all make me feel. Everybody who's watching this video, please know you hold a special place in my heart when I have nothing. I have your messages those nights when I'm just like down and out and nothing is working out. I just go through your messages and everything feels doable. Everything feels like not exactly a piece of cake, but yeah, the energy is real. So thank you for existing and making me feel so good through the highs and lows. It's all because of you. I am because of you. Thank you very much. Despite being tired and everything, I posted a video, actually 2 videos. खाना अब हम खाएंगे. शक्कर आ रही है बिकॉज चाय में 1 चम्मच शक्कर कम पड़ गई, तो दिन में 10 बार ज़ेप्टो ब्लिंकिट बुला लिया. एंड आई डोंट नो ज़ेप्टो ब्लिंकिट जोमेटो के बगैर कैसे चलता. बहुत ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ता, मैं तो नहीं कर पाती. थैंकफुल टू द टेक. तो आज है 2 सितंबर एंड अभी तक कोई भी वीडियो ना एडिट हुआ है ना अपलोड हुआ है, बट शूट सारे हुए हैं. तो आज जाके सबसे पहले कुछ चाय वाय पीने के बाद एक वीडियो एडिट कर देंगे एंड 4 वीडियो शूट करनी है. कहीं बाहर जाना है बिकॉज बड़ा मन कर रहा है एंड पैरेट्स का आवाज़ आ रहा है. सो क्यूट. हवा में चल रही है, चाय बहुत अच्छी थी. वीडियो का कोई आइडिया नहीं है. It's kind of crazy, but it is what it is. And I know that 1 घंटे में अच्छा सा वीडियो बन ही जाएगा. गद्दार. सीटी बढ़िया बजा लेती हूँ मैं, और 1x पे भी स्किन काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है. मेकअप भी प्यारा हुआ है. मज़ा आ रहा है, मज़ा. टम्पू दुख रहा है. Don't want to woman. Oh womania, oh womania. Don't like it. Do not like it. Me looking like $100.
You looking like $100. I'm.
What is your problem?
You putting flashlight on my face is my problem.
Is it?
Yes. it
मेरा
is.
अंधेरा आएगा, कुछ दिखेगा नहीं, वहाँ से भी चिल्लाएगा.
हाँ वो भी बात सही है.
अब क्या फिर अभी?
कुछ नहीं फिर अभी भूख लग रहा है.
क्या चल रहा है पर?
फास्ट चल रहा है.
How many kgs have you lost?
3 kgs
Kudos. Kudos.
in 8 days.
That's quite a lot actually.
Water weight mostly.
सही है.
kg तो water weight होगा उसमें.
सही है, सही है.
Nice.
Also, I'm not eating like $1,000,000 or $100 because and I'm not feeling it. So I'm doing my best. And this dude here is just being condescending. He's just making fun of me.
You're looking like $500. $100 तो नहीं बोलेगा. $500 I would say.
I'm looking like $1,000,000. No matter
You
what.
said अभी you are
I
not.
can say it.
Why?
I can say it.
ये तो गलत.
Because I feel that way, no?
हाँ तो I am just validating your feelings, no.
Who's asking you to validate?
What the fuck, man?
No.
ऐसे थोड़ी चलते हैं.
No.
I'm just validating your feelings, no?
No.
And I'm not even just validating. I'm appreciating your feeling. You're like $100. I'm like $500.
ऐसा बिडिंग करने के लिए थोड़ी बोला था.
क्या करने के लिए?
बिडिंग करने के लिए थोड़ी बोला था.
Bidding मतलब?
$1,000,000. ऐसा वैल्यू है अपना.
अभी तो
वो
bidding
कम
ही हो
नहीं
गया.
हुआ. नहीं, I'm feeling low.
अच्छा. ठीक है.
Is 3rd of September. It's 11:30 AM in the morning and we're taking some light. Gonna go get some milk and chicken pasta and then
Yes. Where do you want to go? Don't go. Hello, what's up?
It's 4th of September and we're going house hunting. आज please pray करो कि आज house finalize हो जाए because by 7th, before 7th, I have to vacate this place and I have an important thing on 8th and there's so much going on and I don't know, dude. I don't know, man. Let's just do it. My fit is really good. I'm wearing a bootcut jeans from Zudio. Shirt is also from Zudio. मैं दिख रहा हूँ. I don't know if y'all can see me, but अभी I'm on the terrace. I was editing a reel. वो reel post कर दी और पानी पूरी खाने का मन कर रहा है. जाके तुरंत से पानी पूरी खा के आती. मौसम बहुत प्यारा हो रहा है. लाइक देख लो एक बार, इतना प्यारा सा हो रहा है ना. चाय लेकर आई थी मैं टेरेस पे. चलो ओके ठीक है. Just finished doing my workout. I had a terrible headache, but nothing helped. I spoke to a friend, I watched a podcast, सब करके देख लिया. Nothing helped. The only thing that helped was moving my body, working out. I did dishes. I have to do some laundry. I am cooking a meal for myself, which I'm going to show you right now. So this meal is going to have like a pasta thing, a rice thing, some boiled mashed potatoes, some onion, and some of the is going to have like minimal spices, less oil, maybe just a little bit of butter, just like packed with flavor and nutrition, and paneer for protein. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So my Blinkit order is yet to arrive in like 8 minutes. That is enough time for me to go take a shower real quick. So this is what it looks like right now. This is pasta with paneer and some mozzarella cheese and rosemary, some cherry tomatoes and some capsicum and everything. And I'm just going to put some black pepper on top of it and cover the lid for some time so that the flavors can diffuse properly and the paneer is like slightly cooked. Beautiful, and it looks all the more beautiful. Like, look at the cheese. It's all melted paneer and everything. It smells. Love it. I'm gonna try Baker Dozen's country sourdough. Let's see. Ta-da-da-da. It looks so good. I love it. There's sourdough bread. There's onions. There's tomato. There's pasta. There's avocado. There's rice. I love it. It looks so good. It's 24th September and we are still in the same place. Stay tuned for more such vlogs, and yeah, I'm sorry for like not being consistent with this, but I'm trying my best to do that right now. And yeah. Also, if you liked my little attempt at the long form content, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, lots of love, lots of amazing content coming your way, and stay tuned.